Beautiful. Wow. It's a steep climb. Even for an electric bike, it's steep. But the view's gonna be worth it. Whew. So we're sitting around 5 or 6 on the power level here. These bikes I got 9 levels, so just over half. It's way steeper than it looks. Hoo-wee. Whew, beautiful. Pretty green in my area. Hopefully it stays that way. The last whole bunch of years, we've had a really crazy climate. It's super hot. And the fires start and half the summer is spent in the smoke. Not always in my area though. British Columbia is full of a lot of trees, so sometimes the fires are from other areas and we just get the smoke. That's the downfall about living in a beautiful valley, is it's got really weird airflow. The smoke gets trapped in. It's similar in the winter. Sometimes the clouds and fog get trapped in the valley, and up at the top of the mountains is where the sky breaks and it's pure blue sky. Ooh, a little windy. A little overcast today, which is good. We do need the rain. Let's see what we can see today. Not bad. Nothing wrong with that. Beautiful. Little smoky fire pit there. Check that out, you guys. That kind of freaks me out. That's something digging, big time digging in there. Must be mice or something in the hillside here. Because something dug all this up. Probably a bear or coyote's one of them. Yikes. Heads up, I guess. I should really have a bell on this bike or something, like I got one at home. Not bad. If you guys don't have one of these electric bikes, you should really put one on your list. I'll stop up here and give you guys a breakdown of what I'm riding here. I've got 4 or 5 of these bikes now. I like filming all these ravines for you guys when you tuck into the mountain here. It's where the most moisture is, I guess, and shade, because it's always so green. And the smell, oh gosh, I wish you guys could smell what I smell. It's just unbelievable. It smells so fresh. That's why it's such a bummer when the smoke rolls in, because we're used to this. Quite a difference. Here's another tree that's precarious. This one's gonna come down one day too. Ooh, windy. I'll show you guys a gnarly jump here. So you go way up to the top up there, and then you come ripping down the hill. It's a little out of my league at my age right now, but then you launch off that. Not bad. Good little kicker. Gosh, it's windy. Oh, I had that balanced perfect. Watch. Pretty well balanced bikes. There we go, no stick. Check that out. That's good balance. Good balanced bike. Except a gust of wind comes and blows it over. That's pretty cool. It's magic. That's it anyways, you guys, the DIY e-bikes. It's basically the Bafang kit. You get the motor, the battery, the display. It's got a wheel sensor on there. It's got a shift sensor too. When the cable moves, when you shift, the cable moves and it cuts power, so it's pretty smooth. But yeah, I start with a really good quality downhill bike like that. And then if you guys aren't familiar with Cove, those were handmade in Vancouver, believe it or not. They're actually super high quality frames. I've got a couple of those, but yeah, there's lots of good, you know, from about 2000 and probably 2005 up. There's tons of good bikes. I'm building a beautiful Santa Cruz right now. I actually hand polished the whole thing. It's unbelievable. I'll flash up a picture of it. I can't wait to show you guys because it's going to be a showstopper. But yeah, the downhill bikes have all the really good quality components, like Fox suspension. This one's got Marzocchi, or Marzocchi, however you want to say it. Yeah, it's a great route to go. You know, a new one's what, $10,000 to $15,000 for an electric bike, and you get less power and you don't get a throttle, and you get a much higher quality bicycle than what you can buy nowadays, in my opinion. But pretty fun cross training too. I actually used to race BMX in my young years. I did, you know, in the age probably 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. Those kind of years I was getting into dirt bikes. Oh, there it goes, finally. And I did BMX on the side. I raced a little bit and also got into motorcycles. So that's my story about the bicycle thing. Always done that. Pretty fun. So right on, you guys, that's going to do it for me. Definitely check out some of my other stuff. Let me know what you think about the bicycle vlogs. I got all kinds of things planned for my YouTube channel. Don't forget my motorcycle riding lessons. They're in the playlists called Learn to Ride Dirt Bikes, so go check those out. I got a ton of stuff coming for this channel, so stay tuned. It's gonna be fun, you guys. Definitely hit that button up there if you guys haven't. There's no reason not to. It's totally free. And I will drop you on the next one. Crazy trail down there.